Welcome back to the official CABSAT podcast powered by Northtelecom. Joining me now is Craig Bowley. Bowley?
Yes, you
Bowley,
yes,
got
correct.
it.
Thank you.
Regional Vice President of SD Engineering of the EMEA region, correct?
Yep, the sales in EMEA, yes.
Okay, great. So first of all, why don't you introduce yourself and a little bit about SD Engineering to the audience who don't really know you?
Yeah, so myself, like you mentioned, I'm RVP for sales in EMEA. I'm very fortunate to work in this region. It's fantastic to be here at CABSAT, and thank you very much for hosting me on your podcast.
Here.
I have a great team across the region. One of the things we're renowned for in the company is having great footprint in the region. So contacting to partners, they're able to access us. We're able to work with them in a really good strategic manner where we can access their facilities and be face-to-face with customers, which is really important. And it's great to be at the show to do this.
Great. So what are you introducing here in terms of products and services at CABSAT this year?
Yeah, fantastic question. So we actually launched our new brand of Intuition. It's a new platform that's coming out that was launched on Satellite. Ramadan was on when Satellite happened. We wanted to make sure the Middle East got the launch of Intuition as well. So that's what we've launched here today. Yesterday, we launched last night. We had a partner event. We had about 120 people attend. We were very honored to get a lot of people to our event. It's a future platform that's going to consolidate our current platforms.
Yeah.
The market seems to be very excited about it. We're very excited about it. So it's great to hear. And I think we've had some really positive engagements throughout the last day and a half or so where, everyone that we speak to, the core pillars that we're looking at with orchestration, 5G, virtualization, it all resonates. It all resonates with the key partners that we're talking to and where they're heading in the future and what they want to see from a future platform to enable their business. And it's a journey that they're willing to, and we're very honored that they will take it with us.
Okay, great. What are some unique challenges and opportunities that you see in the market regionally and globally?
Yeah, good question. So challenges, it's got to be everyone's lips at the moment about the disruption in the market that's happening. But the disruption is also something that's brought a lot of eyeballs to the market, and our small VSAT industry is suddenly becoming a lot more popular in the wide stream.
Yeah.
A lot of the major telecommunications they're not just seeing a satellite now as a last resort. They're seeing it as a really positive, cool kind of solution. Yeah. The public that don't know VSAT certainly know satellite as a communications means.
Yeah.
And I think it will hopefully drive more market share. It will increase that share for people if they can capitalize on it. If they know how to look for that, if they are open to new business, I think we can see a growth in the market share, not just a disruption for the negative, but maybe something that actually stimulates and is a catalyst for the good.
Yeah, because traditionally the satellite market is a very niche market.
Yes.
And it's got a very finite market share.
Exactly. Yeah, so you don't want something to be cannibalizing in the market. You want to really see where the positives are going to come from it and how you make the most of it. So we talk about virtualization, we talk about 5G, and we make that, we see the 5G opportunities in the future with the telcos becoming cheaper solutions, because of course satellite's still an expensive solution in some people's eyes.
Yeah.
So bringing those costs down in the future is quite key. That's where we're driving towards. That's part of this Intuition launch. And yes, I think that's why a lot of people are very happy to hear it.
Okay, great. So what product and services or solutions cater to these challenges and opportunities that are in the market?
Yeah, so a lot of it seems to be around multi-orbit right now. So of course the key disruptor is on a LEO constellation.
Yeah.
But we also have multiple orbits in MEO and HEO and HAPS even coming into play. Yeah. And I think the Intuition launch is designed to be a multi-orbit platform. Which is good. Yeah, we work with a lot of the key players. We work with a lot of satellite operators. We're talking with all the non-geo constellations about being part of the story. Yeah. And that's part of this plan with the new solution that we're coming out with as well.
Okay, great. And finally, I guess, what are people talking about this year?
Yeah, so it's been really buoyant. I'm actually a little bit surprised about how busy and how excited everyone is. They want to hear about how we're going to be helping them enable their journey. Like I said earlier, how you make the most of the new eyeballs on the industry. How do you enable it? Where is the opportunities? How can we work together? Everyone, iDirect we're very fortunate to have a huge deployment base globally. And they've built their business on our solution. And now they would like to work with us to expand it and see those new opportunities. So yeah, it's really about collaboration. about partnership on the immediate, but also then how do we take that journey to intuition? How do we grow our business and get to intuition in the next couple of years and make the most of the multi-orbit, the virtualization? Because it's a multi-stage. How do you prepare for it? How do you get there? And yes, it's been on the lips of everyone that wants to hear about what we're doing and how we work with you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for taking the time joining us, and we wish you a great show.
Well, thank you very much for having me. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.